गोंयांत IGSTचे कोट्यान रुपया मेळपाचे आसात, मात गोंयांत 2017 सावन अकाउंट जनरल सर्टिफिकेट दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान पेमेंट पेंडिंग म्हूण केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन राज्यसभेत उलयली.
If the AG certificates don't reach us, we can't clear. When the AG certificate reach us, there are some states which tell us, hold on till we tell you to clear it. I want to specifically name the states so that there are no doubts in the minds of the people here. AG certificate not received as yet for some states. For instance, Goa 2017-18, 18-19, 19-20, AG certificate has not been received, Goa. And again Goa for 21-22 and 22-23, the quarter one. So no AG certificate has come.
सीतारामनान गोंयच्या सरकाराक एक्सपोज केल्या उपरांत हळदोणाचो काँग्रेस आमदार कार्लोसान गोंय सरकाराक धुलो. दोशी ऑफिसरांक खंय घरा धाडात.
You are talking of financial management, fiscal management. तूं टॅक्स लायता आमचे लोकांक आनी आमचे टॅक्स वाडयता म्हणून देणे ते आमकां पयशे येवपाचे आमकां. तूं तुमचे ऑफिसर तुमचे बरोबर कॉपरेट करना. So my question is the government of Goa aware of this? Have the officers told the government that this is a lapse on our part and we are not getting the money? If he is aware, then I would say he is responsible. If he is not aware, he should wake up and he should pull up the officers who may have been hiding this fact from him. So that officer Garani officer has bungled up in such a big amount, send them home.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ब्युरो वांगडा शिरीष कोकळकार.